Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can make your profile private on Valorant. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just need to go to the doc.gg, and once you're here, then you need to select Valorant on player stats. Then you need to log in with your Riot ID. So let's log in. I need to put my email and the password, so let me put my credentials here, and then I will show you what you need to do here next. It's logging in. Now, as you can see here, I just logged in, and if you want to make your profile public, you just need to private, you just need to press this I make profile to private here. And then as you can see here, now my profile is private. And if you are on the main screen here, you just need to, if you're on the main screen, press on your username and the tagline here. And then you can adjust this option by switching to public, or if your account is on public, here it will be switched to private. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.